Come with me while I put the Timewise repair mask on. I love using this mask before big events. It makes my skin lifted and firm. First, you want to rip the seal. So I like to take an extra jar. I already had stuff from previously. Can you see that's from leftover from previously? And then I'll use it later. So take it out, put it to the side, and then you're gonna dump the contents in there. And of course, you can always use it. You don't have to dump it in a jar. I just prefer it that way. Now you're gonna open the mask. And now you're gonna peel the layer, because there's 2 layers. Technically 3 if you want to be accurate. You're gonna place on your mask. I am no expert. I am still learning how to place this, so don't mind me. So now when you get down secure, you want to pull the layer in the front. Again, I am still learning, so I kind of struggled here. I just gotta laugh at myself, it is what it is. And then just put it back and then peel. Just once you get used to it, you probably won't be as bad as me at the moment. So don't throw everything away. I personally like to use it, so I fold it, and then I personally rub my arms, my chest, my shoulder, my neck, my back, because it still has, stuff on it. Okay, so now after 20 minutes you want to peel the mask off. And then you want to rub it in. Then lastly, you want to add your lotions.